Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Kristen and I mentioned this in a previous video that I would be trying this out. It is finally time, it is long overdue. It is these laundry strips by Tru Earth. And this is the package. This is the laundry detergent. It's so interesting. It is good for high efficiency washers. It's good for all types of washers. So let's open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I am so skeptical of trying this because you just don't think it's gonna be good. Like, it's a strip. It's a soap in a strip. It's weird. Lush kind of makes soap in like paper strips too. I've never tried them, but I think it's kind of the same concept. So let's open it. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Look at this. It's like, it feels like foam. They do have different kinds. I did get the fragrance-free kind and it definitely doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, this is weird. So this is from Canada, It's just so interesting. So you use, it says, 1 strip equals 1 load, top loader washer, place strip inside washer, front loader washer, place strip in detergent dispenser. I'm gonna wash my bedding right now. This is weird. Like this feels, it doesn't feel like paper. I like it though. It's like, this would make children want to do laundry, you know, because it's just so weird. Okay, so let's test it out here. Let me just show you guys. How cute is that with little snow? Okay, so now I have the strip. I don't even use this. Okay, it says laundry detergent. I think I'm gonna fold it. Okay, it's already wet in there. They almost look like Swiss cheese. And then you can just break it apart right there in the middle. Okay, so I am going to smell it and then we're gonna dry it and we're gonna see how it is, if it feels clean. So there is no fragrance, which I do like. Like some things, like my Drops laundry, it says it's fragrance free, but it definitely has some sort of scent to it. This doesn't have a scent, which I personally like, especially people who are like super sensitive to stuff. Yeah, there's no scent, which is good. So I'm pretty impressed by that. Okay. Let's dry it and then I will give you my final thoughts and review of how it turned out. It is now pitch black out, but let's see how these dried. Yeah, they like just don't smell like anything. Yeah, they don't smell like anything, which I personally like. They do have different scents, but I got the fragrance free just because you don't need a crazy scent. And then, I don't know, it's just, I like it without a scent personally. I don't need something like artificial smelling. But again, that's just my personal opinion. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Let me check on the price of these real quick. Hold on. So this is $19.95. Just for the 32 loads. And if you want to do like 1 strip, 1 load, if you want to do a smaller load, So it comes with 2 strips per like sheet, but if you want to do a smaller load, cut that in half, make it into a quarter, and that works for the quarter strip. I just checked the little detergent dispenser. There's nothing left in there. This like feels like foam. It's so strange, but I am so pleasantly surprised. Like, I honestly would recommend this. There is no fragrance for this fragrance-free version. I know they also have a fresh linen scent as well. So I can't attest to how scented it is or anything like that. But if you are someone who is very sensitive and really doesn't want any sort of fragrance, this is fragrance-free. But yeah, I thought this was kind of like a gimmicky product, to be honest. Like, I really didn't have high expectations for this, and I love this. Now, I do want to say that they did gift this to me. Thank you at Tru Earth for gifting this to me and sending it to me to try. Honestly, I really like it, and yeah, you know I'm honest with my reviews, whether or not a company gifts something to me. I think this is worth your money. I think this is worth it. All the sheets are in there. It's paper packaging. There's literally no plastic involved. It came in a little envelope that fit this perfectly, so there's no wasted space. It's light, compact. I didn't try it with like super sweaty clothes, so if something changes, I'll comment down below in the comment section and let you know. But just for basic laundry, like doing my sheets and my bedding, it did the job pretty well, and I am very surprised. So if you guys have tried the Tru Earth Eco Strips laundry detergents, let me know in the comments. If you guys have other products that you do want me to try out and test, let me know. I think this would be kind of a fun, like, sustainable, eco-friendly gift for someone this holiday season, just because I feel like this isn't something most people would buy for themselves, especially if you're like wanting to buy some sort of laundry detergent. Like, I don't know, just because it is pretty out there, it wouldn't be something someone would want to try, but I think this is worth trying, and it would be kind of a cool gift. So let me know what you think, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. If you liked this video, it would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up. And just remember, you do not have to be perfect to live sustainably. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!